Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to reset your Mazda CX-5 oil light. This is a simple process you can do yourself after an oil change. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Then, find your infotainment screen and go to the main home display. You will use the control knob or the touchscreen to select the application's icon to begin the reset process. Once you are in Applications, you will then choose the Vehicle Status Monitor option. This monitor provides important information about your vehicle's health. Next, proceed to select the Maintenance menu from the available list. Inside the Maintenance section, you will find the Oil Change setting. Here, you can also adjust the recommended oil change interval, which is often set to around 5,000 miles or 6 months. Now that you have selected Oil Change, simply tap the Reset button on the screen. The system might ask you to confirm your selection. If so, choose Yes. Once confirmed, the oil light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating a successful reset. To finalize, power down your vehicle completely, then restart it to ensure the light remains off and the new maintenance interval is registered. For some older Mazda CX-5 models without an infotainment screen, the reset process is slightly different. First, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then, press and hold the trip button on your dashboard for about 5 seconds until the odometer changes. Turn the ignition off, then press and hold the trip button again. Turn the ignition back on, continuing to hold the button until the maintenance light begins to flash. Then release it to complete the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.